In this video, I am going to show you how to cancel pending payments on Cash App. So first of all, just go and open your Cash App on your phone. Then you would like to open the Activity tab. This is where you will see all the recent payments and transactions. If you don't know where is that, as you can see, it's that small clock icon at the bottom right, so just go and click on it. Once you do so, you'll find yourself on the Activity tab. Here, you will have to find the pending payments. So look through your activity and find the payment shown as pending. You will find, or you might find many like pending payments, so you'll have to choose the one that you wish to cancel. Cash App, of course, payments are normally instant, but sometimes the payments can remain pending because it still needs to finish processing or require some action. So once you click on that specific payment, you will find an example that the payment is pending. Why? It might be different. As example, for this example, the merchant is still finalizing the purchase. Once that's completed, the amount may update. So once you open a payment, you'll have to look for a cancel payments option. If Cash App gives you this option, you'll have to click on cancel payments and confirm the cancellation if asked. And of course, check your activity again and just make sure that the payment was cancelled and it's not pending anymore. Keep in mind that if you don't see a cancel payments option or a button, you may not be able to cancel it yourself. Cash App says normal person-to-person payments move instantly and cannot be cancelled after they're sent or after they've been sent successfully. If the payment has already completed, you can try requesting the money back from the recipient itself, but you cannot find the cancel button. And of course, a pending Cash App card purchase works differently. A card transaction may stay pending while the merchant finishes processing the purchase, like this one. And during this time, Cash App can temporarily hold the payment amount. So if you want to cancel a purchase, you normally need to contact the merchant and follow their cancellation or refund process from their side. So that's how you cancel pending payments on Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.